Hello and welcome, and today we're going to be doing another eBay scam video. So as you can see down the bottom here with my recently viewed items, I recently decided to look up Affinity Photo. For those who aren't that familiar with it, it's kind of an alternative to Photoshop, quite similar in design but not a subscription based model, and that's what I love about it. Now if we go ahead and search for it, we will see 59, not 45, that sounds about right. A couple ones that look around the right price, and then we've got these kind of sketchy ones here, so $10, and around that price, Morocco, United States, and they've all got things like genuine activation, fast delivery, and credits where it's due, it is fast delivery, because like a lot of people who are selling serial numbers on eBay, it connects to an automated site which as soon as you pay that money, that key goes straight to you. So there's no issue of you not getting it straight away. Now you're probably wondering, why would I purchase something like that from here? And now when it comes to Windows, for instance Windows 10, they sell keys to places such as India because the price point can't be as high, because obviously the money, the average income there isn't as high. And rather than allow people to pirate their software, they drop the price slightly lower, well, a fair bit lower, and then more people can actually use their software and it doesn't get pirated as much, so at least they're making some money off it. The downside with that, for them at least, is people can then sell those keys overseas, since it's not like locked to a location. People can buy them for next to nothing. Now I thought this could be a similar case with this one, or maybe a massive sale that was happening. Anyone with half a brain, so obviously not me, would check out their site and find out that I believe the cost is what, $80 Australian? Yeah, $80 Australian. So a normal person would go, yeah, this. But I also thought, hey, even if I buy it, I'm using PayPal, so I can just request a refund anyway, and I should be able to get the refund, no worries, and I can see what the hell is actually going on with this. So I let the curiosity get the better of me and decided to purchase one of these items. Deciding not to go with Morocco, I think I went with the United States one, because, hey, why not? So needless to say, I bought the item, and within a minute later, as soon as the transaction cleared, I then got this email saying, hey, here's the details on how to install this software, here's a link to the software. Now the first thing I did is I didn't install that software. I had a look at the details, and the details said, here's where you download the executable file, and I'd download the executable from the actual manufacturer if that was the case. However, it also said disconnect or disable your internet, and then enter this Gmail email address as a login, and then this serial number, which straight away gives red flags. What they've done is they've effectively just searched for some serial number online, and then they're now selling that on eBay. So this is just whenever buying anything that's a digital download, so if it requires a serial number, just be quite wary of that one, because a lot of people will sell these things, and as you can see, there's 3 sold on this one, 9 sold on that one. They're making and that's what, $10 of pure profit. They're not spending a single cent to do this. Once this is set up, they're doing absolutely nothing, and they're not being cracked down, and they're always going to be these ones that have, let's say, 19. We've got 5 there. They're always going to be these low sellers, so if you ever find yourself wanting to buy a copy of some software, keep that in mind, and if they have a low rating such as that, even if it is 100% feedback, chances are there's a reason they haven't been around so long, because they will get picked up eventually and hopefully sorted out. But this was, when I found out about this, was a little while ago now, and they're still around. Nothing's happened, they've not been shut down, so just something to be wary of. I'll catch you guys later.